Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Inavx app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Inavx is a marine navigation app designed for sailors, cruisers, and boating enthusiasts. It offers access to detailed nautical charts, real-time GPS positioning, tides and currents, and route planning features to ensure safe navigation. The app supports waypoints, weather overlays, and advanced trip planning tools, making it useful for both coastal and offshore sailing. It also allows offline chart access, which is a big plus for areas with limited connectivity. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many sailors appreciate Inavx for its compatibility with a wide range of chart providers, flexibility in trip customization, and offline reliability. Its GPS accuracy and detailed overlays make it a valuable companion at sea. The app is also praised for allowing integration with external devices and instruments, giving more control to professional users. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. The interface can feel overwhelming for beginners compared to simpler boating apps. Full functionality often requires additional in-app purchases or subscriptions for charts, which can be expensive. Some users have also reported occasional syncing issues or performance lags with large routes. Overall, while powerful, Inavx may require a learning curve and investment to get the most out of it. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Inavx app may be worth using if you're a sailor or boater looking for a professional-grade navigation solution with wide chart compatibility and offline access. It shines in flexibility, detailed planning, and GPS reliability. However, if you're seeking a simple, budget-friendly option or don't want to deal with multiple in-app purchases, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.